Hey everyone, so you know that open source version of Claude? Super powerful, right? But the one catch has always been that you're kind of stuck using their default AI models. Well, in this explainer, we're going to change all that. I'm going to show you a setup that gives you the freedom to connect it to almost any AI model you can think of.
I mean, seriously, what if you could fire up Claude, but plug in a model from Google or Meta or one of the amazing open source options out there? That's exactly the power we're going to unlock today.
And this slide really says it all, doesn't it? On the left, that's the old way. You're in a walled garden, pretty much limited to what Anthropic gives you. But on the right, that's what we're building today. We are blowing the doors wide open using a service called Open Router, which gives you total, complete creative freedom.
So let's jump right in and walk through this better way forward.
First things first, system prep. We just need to lay a little bit of groundwork before we get into the code itself. It's quick, I promise.
Okay, we only need 3 things to get started. First, you're going to need Node.js. If you've done any web development, you probably already have it. Second, we're installing a tool called Bun, which is a super fast way to run and build the project. And finally, of course, you need the actual OpenClaude project code, which you can just grab from GitHub as a zip file.
Now, a quick heads up for all my Windows users out there. If this is your first time messing with Node.js, you might hit a little security wall called an execution policy. It's basically Windows trying to be safe by stopping scripts from running automatically. But don't worry, it is a super easy fix.
So here's what you do, and this is the most important part. You have to open PowerShell as an administrator. From there, you just type in the command you see on the screen. Set-execution policy remote signed. It'll ask if you're sure, just type Y for yes, hit enter, and you are good to go. This just tells Windows it's okay to run the scripts we need.
All right, with our system all prepped and ready, let's move on to the project setup. This is where we use a few simple commands in the terminal to bring this code to life.
Okay, once you've unzipped that project folder, open it up in your terminal. You're just going to run these 3 commands. First is npm install, which just goes out and grabs all the other code libraries the project needs to work. Then npm run build, which, well, it builds the application. And finally, npm link, which is a really neat trick that lets you just type OpenClaude from anywhere on your computer to launch the app.
We are so close. This is the final and, honestly, the most exciting part, configuring this thing so it connects to whatever AI model we want.
And the key that unlocks all this magic is a service called Open Router. The best way to think about it is like a universal remote for AI models. It's a single gateway that lets you talk to models from all these different companies using just one single API key. It's the secret sauce that makes this whole thing so incredibly flexible. So, your next move is to head right over to openrouter.ai. This is where you're going to sign up, get your API key, which is basically a password for our program, and pick out the AI model you want to play with.
Creating the key is super straightforward. Just give it a name you'll remember. You can even set an expiration date for a little extra security. Then just hit create and make sure you copy that key to your clipboard. We're going to need it in just a second.
Okay, now for the really fun part. On the Open Router site, go find the Models tab. You're going to see a massive list of AIs you can use. It's kind of like a candy store. For this demo, let's just pick one called Quen. All you got to do is copy its specific model name. All right, back to your terminal. We just need to give OpenClaude 2 things. You're going to paste in 2 separate commands. The first one will set your Open Router API key. Just paste in the key you copied. The second one will set the default model. Paste in the model name you chose, like Quen. And by the way, this is just a one-time setup.
With that configuration done, there is only one thing left to do. In your terminal, you're just going to type OpenClaude and hit enter.
And just like that, the interface should pop right up. Now, the key thing to look for is the name of the model you selected. If you see it in the interface, that's your proof. You did it. You've successfully connected to Open Router and you're no longer using the defaults.
Now, let's make sure it's actually working. We'll throw out a simple little coding prompt, something like this, just to see if our custom model knows what to do.
And there we go, look at that, perfect code generated by the exact model we picked out. That is the moment of success. You now have a super powerful, super flexible coding assistant running locally on your machine, powered by any AI you want.
So, there you have it. You've just unlocked a whole new world of power and flexibility for all your coding projects. The only question left is, now that you can connect any AI model you can imagine to this tool, what are you going to build first?